Hello and welcome. In this video, I will introduce you to the G REQS tool and show you how to create a new requirement using the platform. G REQS is an online tool designed to help users clearly express their needs and requirements for in-situ data. Whether you're part of a research group, a public institution, or a private company, G REQS allows you to easily describe exactly what type of data you need. The platform collects requirements from in-situ users all over the world, trying to connect user needs with data providers. In this way, G REQS links people who need in-situ data with those who can provide it, helping everyone make better use of available resources. By submitting your requirements, you contribute to a global effort to improve availability and quality of in-situ data. Your input helps identify data gaps and supports better decision-making in areas like environmental monitoring, urban planning, and scientific research, among others. By gathering this request, G REQS simplifies the identification of missing data, the barriers people face in finding or using in-situ data, and the types of data that are most valuable for the Geospatial community, among others benefits. If you haven't seen the database yet, it could be a good exercise to have an idea of the information that has been collected and find out what is needed to create a requirement. In the database, you can apply different filters to find those requirements related to the topics of your interest, which would help you to create your own requirement. With this small eye, you can go inside of the requirement and see all the details and the parent need related to it. At the main page, in the form area, you can find two main buttons. The first one goes directly to the form for the creation of your requirement autonomously. The second one is to request guidance to fill the form, in case you need support for the creation of your requirement. Once inside the form, the first information requested is the point of contact data. This is related to your personal details as your name, email address, and organization. This information is kept private and will only be used to contact you if a potential data provider is found that match with your requirement. Your details are not made public or used for any other purpose. Before explaining how to fill the form, it's crucial to mention that these I in gray circles are giving us information about what is requested in this section. So if you touch them, you will find the information appearing and explaining exactly what is requested. Let's go to the second step, describe your need. A need is a detailed description about what you're trying to achieve or the problem you wish to solve. The form begins with the characterization of it from the most obvious aspect to the more specific details. You are asked to indicate if you participate in any GeoWork program activities or not, and then to describe the need, indicating, for example, its type, geographical location, and temporal extent. Once defined the need, it's time to create the requirement related to it. In the requirements section, it's necessary to include all technical details and specifications, such as variable classes of your data and the uncertainties, temporal aspects, and spatial resolution. You are also asked to identify your preferred type of data access, if you will accept citizen science data, and finally to indicate the distance to an existing dataset, as most of the time the users know the dataset they need, but they cannot access to it. This will help us to contact you with the provider of the data. Last but not least, there is a feedback box available. You can use this space if you were unable to include information correctly in the form, or if you would like to share comments about your experience using the tool. Your feedback helps us improve the platform for everyone. Thank you very much for including it. Once you have finished filling the form, you can press the Send button and confirm that you want to share your information. By sharing your data needs on G REQS, you are helping to shape the future of in-situ data. If you have any questions, please contact the support team. We will be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy the G REQS tool.